Hello everybody, Dr. P here. In this video, I will cover Math 20-2 Proportional Reasoning, Topic 4, Practice Problem 3 on page 39. A box has the following dimensions: 4 centimeters by 5 centimeters by 6 centimeters. And so what we can do here is we need to label this as width. This could be width, so then this is the length. And this is the height of the box. If the linear scale factor, so that's our LSF, of an enlarged box is 3, calculate the new surface area. So here what we're going to do is we're going to first determine the dimensions of the enlarged box. So determine of enlarged box. So there are 3 dimensions we'll have to determine. It's the width, length, and height. Once we have the dimensions of the enlarged box, we need to determine the surface area. Of the enlarged box. Okay, so to determine the dimensions of the enlarged box, we are going to first calculate the width of the enlarged box, and it's simply going to be 3, so that's our LSF, times the original dimensions, which is 4. So the enlarged box has a width of 12 centimeters. We're going to do the same thing for length. Going to be 3 times the original length of 5 centimeters. So the enlarged box has a length of 15 centimeters. And then for the height, it's going to be 3 times 6. So it has a height of 18 centimeters. Okay. Now we can move on to step 2, determine the surface area of the enlarged box. So the formula for surface area is 2 times width times length plus 2 times width times height plus 2 times length times height. It's just a matter of plugging in the numbers. So it's going to be 2 times 12 times 15 using those new dimensions plus 2 times 12 times 18, that's width and height, plus 2 times 15, that's the length, times the height, which is 18. 2 times 12 times 15 is 360. Plus 2 times 12 times 18 is 432. Plus 2 times 15 times 18 is 540. And then if we add up these 3 numbers, we get a surface area of 1,332 centimeters squared. Right? Now in B, they want us to determine the surface area scale factor by comparing the surface area of the enlarged box to the surface area of the original box. So we have the surface area of the enlarged box. We need to calculate the surface area of the original box. So surface area original, and we're going to be using the same formula here. So it's going to be 2 times 4 times 5 plus 2 times 4 times 6 plus 2 times 5 times 6. So surface area original. So 2 times 4 times 5 is 40. 2 times 4 times 6 is 48. And 2 times 5 times 6 is 60. If we add up the three numbers, we are going to get 148 centimeters squared. So we have the surface area of the original box, we have the surface area of the old or the enlarged box, the new box, sorry. To calculate the surface area scale factor, we're going to put surface area of new box upstairs divided by surface area of old or original box. Okay, if we plug in those numbers, scale factor, the surface area of the new box, that's the enlarged box, is 1,332 square centimeters divided by the surface area of the original, which was 148. And if we divide these numbers and round it to the nearest whole number, surface area scale factor would be 9. So we have rounded it here. It doesn't ask us to do this, but we have done it here, and it's going to be 9. That's a wrap. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and may the math be with you. See ya.